Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Rob and Carrie Stewart here from Disney Travel Secrets Podcast. And Disney had sent us an email, I don't know, a month or so ago, and clicked on it, and I had no idea what they were talking about. And they were just trying to confirm our mailing address. And something just was put on our porch about an hour ago.
Yeah, so we're super excited, and we thought we have no idea what's in here. And
no idea.
We were like, let's do a little unboxing video with our friends.
So you're going to find out everything that's in here along with us. For those of you that don't know, Disney Destiny is a new ship coming out. Hopefully tomorrow.
Yeah, we can't get the ships here fast enough. Okay, so let's open this up.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so we have Uncover Your Destiny, something to which a person or thing is destined, fortune. Okay, so there's little stuff in there that's not really worthy of showing. Okay, what's this?
It's a card.
Okay, let's read the card.
Hello, Rob and Carrie.
It says Uncover Your Destiny, July 30th, 31st, and August 1st.
I'm guessing that's when the booking window is going to open.
Well, no, here it is. As a first step on your journey, your first step begins as you open doors to reveal clues to the cast of legendary characters and experiences waiting on board Disney Destiny. Then your journey continues with an in-depth look of Disney Cruise Line's newest ship revealed in a unique 3-day event. So tune in July 30th through August 1st on the Disney Parks blog to discover different stories from the characters, itineraries, and information coming soon. Okay, this is exciting news.
And it's a complete surprise to us because they gave us no warning.
Okay, so there's a little package here. Oh, it's a fanny pack. Okay.
Oh,
I will be wearing this in the parks.
We're going to Boardwalk later to meet one of our agents. You can wear that. And
yeah.
You'll be the first person to wear this in the park.
It has like the little Disney Cruise Line logo there. Oh, I love that. Okay, so are we supposed to open these now?
I don't even know what these are.
Okay, so for those of you watching from home, this is what else was in the box. So it looks like 5 little secret doors.
It's like one of those Advent Christmas calendars.
I know. So should we crack one open? Let's do it.
We're only going to do one, though.
Okay, we're only doing one because we're not... Okay,
I want to be surprised for the rest of it.
It's a little thing.
It's a little thing.
I don't know. It's a little sticker. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I think I know. I think I know what's going to be in all of these. The Fab Five.
Do you want us to do it?
Let's do it. Okay.
Okay.
You tackle that one. We usually don't do unboxing videos, so thanks for hanging in there with us. Oh, this one says Disney Destiny.
Oh my gosh.
That's cute.
This one, I have no idea what it is.
Whoa, what is that one? Interesting.
Okay,
no. This is Cruella. Cruella.
I was holding it the wrong way.
You were holding it the wrong way. That is hard to understand. Okay, so these are all clues. I'm thinking of things that we will find on the Disney Destiny.
Okay, do we know this one?
Okay,
If you guys know, put it in the comments because we do not know what this is. I think it goes that way.
Oh, and Jack from Incredibles.
Okay,
so we identified all but this particular one. And it looks like an eye. So an eye.
Wait, hold on. What if it goes this way because that's the label on the back?
Okay.
Again, comment below because we do not know what this one is.
Yeah, and we will make sure to put a nice clear picture so you can see exactly what we're looking at. So thank us this. We need to go set up some time on our calendar to catch the broadcast on, what did they say, July 30th.
Let's do it.
So 3-day event. Thanks for joining us.